coming like a free throw steady. Maddie can't get enough free co. Get the guap with the Fetty dinero. Hot little bitch habanero. Chopper spit back to back. Too much talking.
Okay, so
Top 2.
this is the before. Before. That's what we're working with.
What we working with? Let go. Okay.
And you take the parameter, pull it out, count it, and clip. So you keep going and do the same thing with this side on down.
So we got the wig on. Basically I put the Got2b glue around the perimeter. Then we went in with the spray. And then we got it bam bam bam. Chicken wham whams. Now we lit. Now we finna flat iron and get it select. You know what I'm saying? And we'll be back.
Dickory dock, how many hoes can I fit on this block? Yeah, I'm running it up, ho, you know I can't stop. Flooded the bed, then he slept with the top. He fuck me so good, yeah, make that ass pop. Soaking in juice, gotta bring me up.